Today I'm going to show you how to set up your pricing in ThriveCart step by step. Here we are in the ThriveCart dashboard, and what we're going to do is go to the products tab, which is the third one over with the dot and the lines, and then we are going to select our product. I have a full video breaking down of creating a product, so I'm not going to go through all of that. I'll have that video linked, but I'm going to show you here how to do it for just setting up pricing. So we're going to go to the pricing tab, and we are going to set product price. And here we can do one-time fee, subscription, ongoing. So if you're doing a membership or something like that, that's great. Subscription limited, split pay, or pay your own price. So if we do one-time fee, we can do price. We're going to do this one at $100. We can do a trial period, 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, or custom. And it says, if you specify a trial period, your customer will not be billed until this many days after the purchase. So you can do a 30-day trial and say, hey, try it for free for 30 days, and they can cancel it. But if they don't cancel it, then they will be billed. You see this a lot of times in signing up for a subscription service of like Peacock or Hulu or Netflix, something like that. So you can do the same thing here, which is really cool. I'm going to do no trial period and then send email for initial purchase, yes or no. I always like to send them their receipt email. Then you can do the quantity. So I can say, yes, this is only for the first 50 people. So limited quantity. This is going to be a great intro price. If I'm going to do maybe beta testers, I can do that as well. If I want to do only the first 10 people, I can do that. So 10 people at $100. And then I'm going to hit next. If you want to go even deeper into ThriveCart, I have a free course that walks you through ThriveCart, setting up ThriveCart, all the ins and outs of ThriveCart. It's a over-the-shoulder type of view where you can see exactly what I'm doing click by click. And I also have modules on things like pricing a course, how to come up with your course topic, how to market a course, how to get beta testers in a course. It goes to the ins and outs of setting up a course, launching a course. And like I said, it is completely free. So definitely check it out down below in the description. And I do want to say, if you don't have ThriveCart yet, I have a link for 50% off of ThriveCart lifetime access, which is amazing about ThriveCart. There's other course platforms where you have to pay monthly or annual, but with ThriveCart, it's lifetime access. And I have a link for 50% off. I do receive a small commission if you use my link, but like I said, you get the 50% off discount for using the link, and you help support me and my family. And so I can continue creating free videos like this for you and free courses like the one down below in the description. So check it out, check out the course, and check out ThriveCart if you have not already. This is what they're going to see on the sales page. So I can say one-time payment, or I can say best deal, or I can say, let's say beta testers, and I can have the price or remove it. But this right here is what's going to appear on the cart on the sales page. I want to only allow one purchase at a time or allow multiple purchases at once. I don't want to allow multiple purchases because I don't want them to enroll in my course multiple times. If this was maybe for book sales or physical product, which you can totally do in ThriveCart, then you can just using ThriveCart as your checkout feature, then you can allow multiple purchases. Like if you're selling a book, you may want them to be able to buy 10 books. So I'm going to allow only one purchase. Then I'm going to hit save. I'm going to also set out of stock options as well. And you can replace this cart with a message. So say it runs out of stock after, because we said only 10. So we can say replace with another page or reset the countdown. So maybe it's for the weekend only. We only have 10, but next week more are going to come available. We can reset the countdown. We can also send a message here, but I'm going to hit close. Then is customer cancellation options. I can account-wide settings or product level settings, and I can say yes, allow split pay, all of that. So then I'm going to add another product option. So this one, I'm going to do split pay. So this is the number of payments. So I can include up to 6 payments, but I'm going to do 2 payments of $59. Next is customer purchase email, send for initial purchase, and send on recurring payment. I always like to send them the email on recurring payment as well, because I want them to know that it's coming up, and I don't want to be slimy or anything like that. I can also limit the quality available. So I can say, yes, limited to only 50 people, or I can say no set limit and then hit next. And then split pay. This is what people are going to see when on the check. So I like that split pay. And then I can also add another payment option. So say I want to do split pay again. I can say we're going to do 6 payments of, I don't know, $20. So I can say send and recurring, yes, no set limit, split pay 6. I can also edit, actually, let me see this. Split pay next, I can say most flexible. So that way, if people are tight in budget, they're going to be paying only $20 a month. Now I do have it so that they're paying more. So they're saying, okay, we're going to pay $120 versus the 100. So we want to reward those by giving them a little bit of a discount by paying in full. But this one is a great option because they can space it out and only paying $20 a month. So it's super affordable. Then it is cancel another product subscription. So we can say, hey, if they enroll in this, then they're canceling this. So if you have an upper tier or a more advanced course, you can cancel the previous ones. We don't want to do that. Calculate sales tax. You can select this here, and then it's going to do ThriveCart simple sales text. And product category is software. And then it goes through all of this for you as well. And then do you want to customize your customer's payment notification? Yes or no? I like to just do the detail notification, hit next. Here's what it's going to look like. You can also upload your logo, give them a specific text as well. Hit save. And then you want to make sure you hit save and get URL. I have learned the hard way, and I have not had something save if I don't do this. So save, save, save. I have learned the hard way. Next, if you want to see how to set up a coupon code in ThriveCart, check out this video here.